N0w Mustafa Bandi ebe statement bi omola nso ti asem no akuma
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe hum bia from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by bia be hum bia from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die e dey need to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyesom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Good
morning. Catch your dear say Pe0ple ni ba Pe0ple su ni. Pe0ple ni. Last time in empire there ni. Someone NOW Mustafa Bandi ebe statement bi omola nso ti asem no akuma ntom yem kura o si e konchi ska na NDC for onu oni ni alaji band no mo bi san so ni mi ana oni mi oifa mi nim no mpo mi first time me won the picture mo fefe no nya ni first time kwa ya send me picture ni voice o ya be tie on hwe mi die se mi food soldier na who be a food soldier I don't know how much say me then I am concerned about the NPP. What is your problem about NPP? I just want to know what is your problem. Mustafa Bandi, what is your problem? I'm NPP. I have the right to be NPP and I'm NPP now.
Katam na tonam garra swanama. How will I get to well to you lara? Yinyaga.
I have 6 children. I have my sister, my wife's sister's daughter in my house. I had 7 at Providence. Go and check in record. Yeah? Go and check in record. So people can never confuse you with money. I have myself. I have my car, I have my motor. I have my mansion. Yeah? I have my car, I have my motor, I have my mansion. If you like, ask people, they will tell you. You know, food soldier. I got my shop. Ask yourself, say if me, I be your people, since people can power, you can't pig farm before. What people know about pig farm? Eh? So I beg people, forget pig farm boys. We, tell them, we NPP. They are here, they know come. This video they do, this early morning, it's too early morning. Eh? But it's good like this, not more. Because Pe0ple don't want show face. But we are NPP. Today I'm telling you. Why if you see food soldier, you go no food soldier. See my leg.
Elembena wo ka ho asem na wo si wadi MPP for ho ya no. NDC buy no be CBS ho. NDC buy power no. Wa ba be kukuru elembe no, wa ba be kukuru hospital dey si ho. Nti sa hospital dey si elembe no, sa hospital no e wan dia, wan dey si. Wan dey si sa hospital no, wan dey si. Mi bisanze ma hene. Wan dey si sa hospital ni. Elembe na wo sa agenda 111 na Kufuor ensi hospital ensi ho no. Sa hospital say yaye no government hospital at Elembe no sa hospital infanisi owo hene sa wo hene wo wukurum no kasase ya ebeside na wukuru no atumpon ohene esese ujira ne nanso na impuntuo ba no se wo pese impuntuo ba tama na NPP te so no ane na nka esese wo ye bibi wo fight se impuntuo beba wo krom enya afi ya NPP afiri so no ena wo ba beka ho asem wo beka ho asem ade na be se wo yo ohene na nka wo ye serious ohene ena na nka wo ye serious se wo pese impuntuo eba wo krom ana wasase so a na nka mene ma NPP te so no ena nka sese yehu seriousness na nya afi na NPP afiri so na wo ba be complaini yeyi ana afie na wo ba be complaini wo complaini ayeden what na ho amade na ase ya wie ma nkofo na ade na agiegu afie na wo ba be ka ho asam wo be ka ho asam na enye den wo ba be ka ho asam na ayeden
edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ K unim se atintenhu ta woto na wo hwiri treasure unim se atintenhu eta woto na wo hwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ K onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asamba fa we ya futuo obi asamba susuka na wonnim de da wanim obi asamba susuka na me me srema wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ K sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho DJ K nya ni pa asem wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia me se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me se baby a wo no ankasa no baby Eish no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi enka no se de nka ese ye ka no ene wo nti Kamila Al-Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJ K na wo ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne se bi onim de wo ye unim nyanza se ne hwan wo krom a on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho ye yesre ya na video ni ye hwe ni say ya ene de ho na ho hye wo no ene wo na ho hye wo no me say Kamila Al-Hassan ba bi owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de be abonten endra me ye video ba akoma na no ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K misise wa we awe nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na hokwa ene wiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na okra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi tatatata nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what pad sanya wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo koye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia yede ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia eden na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na meyama mo na busia na ke yensem fata de yensa kan serious so in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yen because of time. But those ones it really go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, "Just and a go sana no me say." It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. This is a scan of the was I would to me say, "Oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort." Name my comfort must sacrifice discard to what the eye hospitals, and most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator is on funded free seniors, most of my comfort. Is there any Ghana for debut? I find a tables net 10 after the Mokika. Why are they shouting? Obian can't to me and call I saw from among common into with the greatest of respect among common into them queen in a home. Chief imam for them common to them queen in a home. Politicians need common to them queen in a home. Market women among common to them queen in a home. Obian can't to them queen in a home. 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow, no the credit scoring system, but I must open content. Nancy Bibi Nina said, "Ye be a kitting, ye invest square and kitting. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk." And here same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system also open kitting. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open kitting. Is any one day? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wache dem me na wo ne wo sia che me sabi me na me ko ka che Ibrahim Dramani ma so o mema was come to butu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade da mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Ibrahim Dramani ma ko gina fese and can form Gafon catch up say, "Oh, Gafon, oh, now more than kinky and we have utilization here." And I got for so can you but to Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear go your credit menu now to me who let be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss Fiums, hey,
Remona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.